Hey guys, welcome back to... I can.
Man, so unprofessional.
Wait, okay.
She's a professional.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are bored and so we're gonna dye my hair pink.
It's classic.
I went to the supermarket and bought some stuff.
We're not really sure what it does.
From L'Oréal, and since we're going all in, I'm actually going to bleach my hair first. And so this is Zara. Oh, I forgot to introduce you.
This is Zara. Okay, hi, I'm Zara. I'm Mia's colleague friends from from work.
Yes.
Yeah. And now I'm doing this.
Because you're bored.
Because I'm bored too.
So basically we're only going for our homes for Christmas tomorrow, so we have a free weekend, so what better than just destroy my hair with...
Worst comes to worst, we'll just cut it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, worst case scenario, I get a pixie cut, so it's fine.
Still stylish.
Have you done this before?
No.
Okay, so I recruited the right person.
It'll be great.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's just watch some like YouTube tutorials.
Yeah, maybe we'll
first.
just read the instructions or something.
Let's start with this. They want me to test it 48 hours before, but there's no time for this.
Test it 24 hours.
48 hours. It's not gonna happen. Like, no testing.
We don't have days.
No testing.
Hours.
It's today.
We have hours.
This is happening today. Okay, so
Let's try.
Let me get my laptop.
And I'll just stay here.
Way too much free time in our hands.
That's not true. That's not true.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Vanessa. Today on this video, I'm going to show you how...
Oh, we did blood?
Yeah. No, we're not doing
But we have to follow what she's doing.
So
It's ginger. No?
She's gonna do another box. Should I had two
But her hair is
boxes?
like black too.
Oh my god.
Dude, she's red now.
She's
not going blonde. It's going up. It's not going blonde. It's like an orangey blonde. Oh. Oh.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's just do it. They just do it.
She don't look too happy. She literally says she doesn't like it.
So pixie cut is really like...
I mean, it might happen. It might happen.
Oh, it's okay. Like, we can do it.
I think you'll look great in a pixie cut.
Yes. Take it to the bathroom, guys!
You have to wet it first? Like, do you have to...
Yeah. Oh, it has 3 stuff. I'm good at this.
Oh, you gotta take it off. Gotta take the lid off.
Yeah?
So you gotta put the powder
Yeah.
in.
I feel like I shouldn't be doing this in my jeans, but okay.
Do you wanna do it in something else?
Do you want to put your jeans?
Not really.
Yes.
All in there. Okay, now you have to put the cream in.
Okay. So, oh shh.
It's fine.
Yeah, it's already in my jeans though.
Oh.
I'm a professional.
God, I get cozy.
Maybe like
This is like the Grinch. Seriously.
Okay. Oh.
What?
It looks so ugly though.
Just like squeeze it in there. Can I eat chips in the meanwhile? Got like munching like sounds in the back.
And?
Okay, now put the lid back on. Yeah, and now you go like this. No, like this. Yeah, and then what? Keep. I guess you have to do a little bit longer than that. And now you have to go.
We should put like one of those songs.
Shake it really. Okay. So you have
To take this out?
Yeah. Literally says to avoid to avoid it exploding. Please.
I'm already
immediately take the thing.
Naz, that you told me, Zara.
Well, it says right here, it says like...
You're really good at this of giving instructions.
I mean,
you
I
know.
think it's fine. What?
It's not very well.
Let's do it again. Let's do it. Does it bleach your face? No, I'm kidding. No, but I'm asking. Does that happen?
I'm kidding, but I'm asking.
I'm asking if it does it.
Yolo.
What? What?
I just put some.
You're crazy. You really
Should I be wearing gloves? Isn't there like a point about gloves?
Do you have earrings in?
Are you kidding me, Zara?
Dude, it's not my fault, so that's all.
Can you take out my earrings though? Because I really don't want to.
Isn't there gloves in here?
Yeah, it's here.
Let's put them on, no?
I was waiting for your
It didn't
instruction.
say put gloves on. It just says, es-tu prête? And then it just, imagine says that. Avec un serviette, you do that. You have to put the gloves on.
Okay, thank you, Zara.
Okay,
we're straight going. Because
yeah? What?
it was the other side. This is going great, guys. I hope you're learning from my mistakes.
Honestly, you look like a little medieval little girl with like, seriously.
You look great.
Every day.
How do you do it to avoid explosions?
Wait, did you put it back on again?
Yes.
Just take it off slowly.
Oh, I can feel it.
Yeah, well then leave it like that for now. And let the air out. It's like when you bottle a fizzy thingy.
I don't drink fizzy.
Well, whatever.
Fizzies.
Put the gloves on! What are you doing?
Oh, I forgot the glove. I'm not good at this. Safety first, guys. Wear gloves. Yes.
Okay, so we don't want to bleach it from your head. We want just this.
Yes,
Like, so if there's ones where it's like you have to do application touche racine, so it's your roots, which is not what you do, and then there's application faite entière, which is also not what you want to do.
Yeah.
So technically, there's no instructions about if you want to do it only half. So
we go rainbow.
rainbow.
Rambo?
What does that mean?
That guy?
What guy?
Rambo? How do you pronounce it?
Who?
Rambo?
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 Who's
Rambo?
I don't know who you're
The
talking
guy
about.
that wears the...
I still don't know who you're talking about. And then you leave it in for up to 15 to 25 minutes. I say we should leave it 15 minutes just in case.
So now I open
So
it
you just-
slowly.
Again?
Yes. But it was already a little bit opened.
Jesus Christ. Okay.
You
good?
Okay.
Okay, now you put a lot. You just put a lot on your hand there.
Okay.
You ready?
Yes.
You sure you want to do this?
No.
Do you want to do this?
I do. I think so.
Okay.
Okay.
Good.
Okay, we're gonna do this like blind.
I mean, I see you. Yeah. You can go like this maybe as well. You have to massage it in so you feel like
It's open.
Oh, haute couture.
I'm just afraid that this is going to be like brown and then BAM! You're blonde. I feel like putting like conditioner in here.
Is it like, what's the feeling? What's the texture?
It's like sticky.
Sticky?
Okay. It's very fresh though.
Yeah.
Good for scent. I bought one that said unbreakable, so I'm just testing it at this point. Wait, are you counting the time?
Snack time. Okay.
Okay. I feel like a barista. I feel like I should go higher.
That's good. Yeah. There you go.
And on the other side?
Like here? But a little bit higher maybe?
Here?
Yeah. There you go. Yeah. See, now that's here.
Okay. So now it's almost fixing.
Yeah. Don't want any of this on me.
There's still so much.
But dude, it's okay. Just maybe.
It's okay. Stop using it.
It's okay. I'd rather use less than a lot of. Just dropped a bunch of it.
This is how it goes. Oh my god, look at the towel.
Yeah. But it works then.
I think that I'm good. We should rinse it out.
Okay, let's rinse it.
Can you make it warm, please?
Put this stuff in and leave it in for 2 minutes and then rinse it. Oh, this has a cute color. Oh, it's so cute. Why don't you show it to the camera? Can you?
Oh, this is
Nice.
yeah, it's nice. It's actually untangling it.
Yeah, that's probably the reason why.
Oh, it smells good.
But dude, your hair is not any whiter. Does it come later? Like, does it come later?
I hope so.
Okay, now we can rinse it, I think.
Okay.
Man, there's literally no change. Are you disappointed?
Yeah, I mean, if this doesn't change, I am disappointed.
They just wasted 16 euros. Honestly, like, if I didn't know that, like, you did this on your own, I really would have thought it was done by, like, a professional person.
I mean, it wasn't on my own, yeah.
I mean, you did have me.
Yeah.
Well.
Okay.
No, but really.
But yeah, okay, so...
I'm happy with the results.
Yeah.
And it's not my hair, so.
Blonder? More blonde?
You were
native.
I know.
I was expecting it to be a little bit more blonder. But I think that it's okay, because when the pink fades, it's gonna be okay.
Yeah. I think the pink will show.
So the pink that I bought was the hot pink hair. I think I'm gonna get something more like this. I'm ready!
Next round!
Yay!
I know what I'm doing this time. Gotta read it, basically. So, safety for kids.
Why 4 gloves? Oh, you see, they come with friends.
Aww.
They bring 4 gloves.
It's friendly.
Ew. No! It's taking the color of it! No! Okay, so what now, master?
So this is actually a lot less complicated.
Nice. Round 2.
Yeah, you can put it higher up. Oh.
It looks like bloody.
Yeah. What?
How much time?
20 minutes for results more intense.
We're going with intense this time.
Okay then. Imagine this time is good.
Minimum 20 minutes. Yeah. We're gonna for an hour. No.
Hey. All the hair falls out.
There's still space for us to mess it up.
You could not have done this on your own. No.
I mean,
Probably,
I could, but
it's not fun.
I feel like my hair has never been massaged for so long.
Yeah, you're really going
life.
for it.
Like, so
I
like,
think it's time to rinse.
okay.
I think it's been 30 minutes now.
Okay. Food! Zara?
Yeah, like someone had a... Yeah, not great.
Had my period in here.
Hi! Do it until the water is clear.
Okay.
And you're supposed to still wear your gloves, but...
Oh, too late for that. The pink is still here. Ah! I'm getting super tired.
Is it any less pink?
No, look at this.
Do you want to take a break?
Going in.
Can you sit on one side? Take your socks off. Just take your socks off. No?
Can you take my stuff off?
Oh my god.
Thank you.
There you go.
Okay. Oh my god, I look like Ariel. Look at this. Yes. Look at the hair.
Super cool.
Oh. My back is killing me. Oh my god.
I'm nearly done.
Look at this.
Yeah. It's like a rainbow.
It's nice.
Isn't that?
It's very artistic.
Oh my gosh. You
Last
have a
part.
massive pink stain on your neck. Like it's literally like...
The love bite.
I wouldn't say it's
So guys, my camera died, and on top of that I then realized that I still have a lot of product in the back of my head. So I just gave up for now and we're having dinner. And then I'll get back to this, okay? Hi! This is the result for my towels. But on the bright side, it doesn't look that bad.
It's really not too shabby.
Yes, too what?
Too shabby.
That's shabby. It is okay for you to try this at home, apparently.
See the pink.
No?
Oh, really?
Okay. So that Nice to know then.
Yeah.
I will then do like a recording of this in the morning for you guys
With
to
the
see
light.
the color and everything. But it looks okay.
Yeah.
It looks good.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
it actually looks that I could be doing this at like a hairdresser or something.
Okay, let's not go
No,
there.
yes, it does. We aren't this good. So would you like to come over for another video?
Maybe, who knows? We'll see.
Like glue
no,
in your
not
No,
touching my
okay,
hair. No.
Sorry. Hey guys, so it's the next morning. Yesterday the lighting wasn't great at all for me to film the end result, but it is pink and I really like it. Like in the back it's super strong, but the more I wash it, the more it's going to look like a pastel color. So yeah, I think that it's a good look. And this is anyway going to come off during the holidays with the shampooing and everything. So it's a nice activity that I think that it's going to be now a tradition for me to just dye my hair during Christmas because I like it. Hey guys, so 2 weeks have passed and I washed my hair 10 times and this is just a little update of what you can expect. So the colors in the front are basically gone. But in the back it's still pretty pink. The areas that were the strongest at the beginning. In these 10 times that I washed my hair, I tried to keep the shampoo only on the top of my head to avoid taking much of the color out. However, this is living up to what they say in the boxes. So I chose the strongest color and they said that it would stay between 5 and 15 shampooings, whereas the other two smoother colors would only stay 2 or 3 washes. So this is actually a pretty good result. My only 3 advice are: 1, don't think that the girls in YouTube have everything figured out. It was the first time that I was doing this, but it actually went pretty well, so no horror stories from this side, as long as you follow the instructions. Second of all, do this with someone because it's way easier for you to follow the instructions, even though we failed in doing some of it. And it's also way more funnier. And third of all, take a full afternoon for it because the whole process took us 2 hours to complete. So it's not something that you do like in 30 minutes or so at all. Other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I wish you a very, very happy new year and see you next time. Beijinhos!